I'm going to reverse this. Just put a foot on there. I'm going to reverse this and hollow it out. Almost down there. I'm about right here. So I got this much more to do, and I'll make a lid, or the top, drill a hole, and add some more stuff. So we'll get there. We're getting there. I just finished sanding it, and it's got this beautiful grain. I wanted to paint it. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to, I'm going to put this polish on there and then just really wipe it down. And I think what I'll do is color the roof and the door and peg, and we'll see. Anyways, it's coming along. I'm not sure. I just take it one step at a time. All right, I'm turning the lid, and it's going to go on top of the birdhouse. This is the house, this will be the lid, and that's what I'm working on now. I just turned this piece, and I'm going to cut it, put it there, and I turned this piece, that's going to be the footrest. I'm going to put a hole right here, and then I'm going to color it, put some paint on it, and I'll be done. Looking very forward to the finished project. Just doing a color wash for the roof, and then I'm going to do another color wash for the little overhang and the little part where they stand on. And I may add a couple of little design elements as well. So that's my birdhouse so far. Now I'm just finishing it off. I put the mushrooms, which I'm really glad I did. Here's my birdhouse, all done. Got some mushrooms. I was going to add those, wasn't sure, but I decided to add the mushrooms. They're made from, this one is fig tree, peach tree. This is citrus, and jacaranda, top and bottom. So I did use different wood species. There you go. That's the back of it. All done.